Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial for the Animation Editor Pro series. In this quick tutorial, we're going to dive in and show you how to take an existing animation, give it some polish, and then, with the magic of the Animation Editor Pro add-on, create a mirrored version. So what are we working with? A classic zombie attack. Our objectives are twofold: to tweak this animation a bit so it looks more polished and to create a mirror animation. This way, we'll have zombie attacks with both hands. The first step is to add a new strip. Since the desired action is the current one affecting the rig, we can use Add Editor Strip, and it will take this action to create the new strip. Here we have it, a right-hand zombie attack, but the feet are weirdly oriented, so let's fix that. Add another strip with the same operator. This time it will create a new editable strip. Let's call it Feet. Now we correct the foot orientation. It's looking better. We're almost there. There we go, looking sharp from head to toe. Let's create the counterpart animation, the left-hand zombie attack. It can be done with just a couple of clicks, literally. Click the mirror animation operator, then create, and voila! The mirror animation is placed side by side with the original animation. With just 2 clicks, we created a new animation. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. You should now be able to experiment with the Animation Editor Pro add-on. More tutorials are available in this series. Please leave any questions in the comments.